Hi, you are welcome to ELLY-B Automotive. In this channel, I'll be uploading a lot of videos on how vehicles owners, vehicle users, and new beginners on how to take care of their automotive. More video will be uploaded on this channel on how to plan for your maintenance, inspection, and also how to carry out maintenance. I hope you like this channel, and this channel is going to guide you so that you have your basic knowledge of your vehicle, the vehicle parts, and how the part works, and what is required for maintenance, those for routine, and how to carry out maintenance on them. So please subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first to know. So now we're talking about what is an engine oil. What is your vehicle's engine oil? You need to know that so that you know how important your vehicle engine oil is to your vehicle. So an engine oil or an engine lubricant is a substance which consists of a base oil with additive to enhance the performance of your vehicle's internal engine combustion components, and also to prolong the lifespan of your internal combustion engine. So for you to have your engine to give you a good performance, you must know what kind of engine oil is required of your vehicle. You must know the grade of oil, and also you must know also when it's required for you to change your vehicle's engine oil. So I'll be talking on now the function of a vehicle's engine oil. The primary function of your vehicle's engine oil is one, to reduce friction and also to reduce wear of your internal combustion engine components. So that is why the oil is in your vehicle's engine, to enable the engine to lubricate the engine, to prevent or to reduce friction, and also to reduce the wear of your vehicle engine. So I'll be talking now on the issue of the function of the engine oil or engine lubricant in your vehicle's engine. So function number one of an engine lubricant or oil is one, it helps to minimize friction and wear of the engine components. The engine oil forms a thin, firm surface on the metal, which helps to reduce heat and abrasion on the metal surface, and also reduces friction, the contact of two metal surface, and reduces wear on your engine components. So the engine oil helps to keep your component in your engine from wearing and also from friction, which can increase heat and which can bring a breakdown of your vehicle's engine components. Function number two of an engine oil or engine lubricant. The engine lubricant aims to clean the engine. A lot of contaminants are in the engine, which the engine oil helps to collect those contaminants, prevent those contaminants from sticking to the engine, internal component of the engine, and helps to carry them out from the engine and send them down to the sample which is being collected from the oil filter. So the engine oil helps to keep your engine clean. Yeah, the third function, which is number three function of an engine oil, is cooling of moving parts. The engine oil or lubricant of the vehicle helps to reduce the heat from the moving part of the vehicle, the internal combustion engine. So reducing by reducing friction, the engine oil helps to reduce the heat and also the operating temperature of the engine. So the engine oil helps to cool the system by Reducing friction, which automatically reduces the heat of a moving component within the internal combustion engine and enable the engine to work to its optimal performance. So it is necessary that you check your engine oil and make sure your engine oil is in good condition. It has not exceeded the recommended time for changing, and also it is in good condition so that it can also help to lubricate the engine and also to reduce heat within your engine. So the number 4 function of an engine oil is that the engine oil helps to form a seal in the engine. A lot of moving parts. The engine oil enables a good sealing to prevent oil and also to help for compression within the combustion chamber. The engine oil also helps to make a seal between the piston rings and the cylinder walls, and also helps to reduce or prevent the contamination of the engine oil from internal combustion gases, and also to improve compression within the combustion chamber. So the engine oil has act as a form of seal between the piston rings and cylinder wall, and also to compensate for lubricant for entering the combustion chamber during the combustion process, and reduce the consumption of engine oil. The function of an engine oil is that an engine oil helps to prevent internal combustion engine corrosion. So this oil forms a seal or a film on the engine components, which helps to prevent corrosion and also helps to create a barrier between corrosion substance or products against the engine components. So good engine lubricant helps to prevent corrosion in an internal combustion engine. Function number 6 of an engine oil. An engine oil can be used to transfer energy. For example, like most new vehicles have a timing, the timing adjustment or the variable timing adjustment for newer vehicles uses this engine oil to actuate their components to be enabled to control the movement or the setting of the timing of most vehicles. So now the engine oil is not serving or acting like an hydraulic fluid to help to manage the movement or adjustment of most components, like the variable timing depth of chain in an internal combustion engine. So that is one of the functions of a vehicle's engine oil. So you must ensure that your engine oil is always in good condition. It must be clean, and it must have retain a very good viscosity, which is recommended by the vehicle to be able to carry out this performance. So I'll be talking now on lubricant viscosity, which is engine oil viscosity. So it's very important for you to know what oil is recommended for your vehicle, because we have different grades of engine oil. Some have high viscosity and some have low viscosity, and also it depends on the region the vehicle is being driven and how new the vehicle is, what is the mileage of the vehicle. So you don't just put any oil in your vehicle, so you need to follow your engine's manufacturer recommendation. And also, if you are not sure or the vehicle is at weather ready, you can also get information from your vehicle's technician, which is the automobile care mechanic, who is responsible for taking care of your vehicle. And also I'll be raising more videos on grades of engine oil and which oil is good for your vehicle, and know what oil at what time, what mileage your vehicle has been on, and know exactly which region, and know exactly what grade of oil that you should be using on your vehicle. So the viscosity of a fluid is the resistance of a fluid to move. So we have different grade of oil. We have the 5W30, we have the 5W40, we have the 10W40 or 10W30, we have the 15W30, 15W40, we have the 20W40, we have the 20W50, and we have the 25W60. So all these are different grades of oil, but you need to know what oil is being recommended for your vehicle, and also the region which you are using this vehicle. Is it on the cooler region or is it in the hotter region? So each of these oil has a particular function for each region. So it is recommended that you follow your vehicle's engine manufacturer recommendation. You can get that from a user's manual, and also get a good advice from your automobile technician or mechanic that takes care of your automobile. So each of these viscosity has a very important role in the winter period and even in the summertime. So you need to know exactly what oil, what kind of grade of oil should be at your vehicle's engine. So driving your vehicle with a bad engine oil or lubricant can really have a significant negative impact on your vehicle. This could lead to poor engine performance. It could lead to knocking of your engine because the oil viscosity will not be there. The additive are no longer, the word they will break down, and which they can no longer do carry out their function, and which will lead to serious damage of your engine and shorten the lifespan of your engine. So you need to ensure that your engine oil is in good condition. Your engine oil is changed when required, and your engine oil is inspected as often as possible. Yeah, I'll be talking now on the signs that you get from your vehicle, or you notice that you need to change your engine oil. Sign number one is the check engine light or the oil change lamp will come up on your dashboard, which is the engine telling you that there is something wrong with your engine oil, that your engine oil is short or is due for changing. So the check engine light or the engine change that oil light will come up on your engine. So you need to take note of that. So when your engine is running, your engine oil is on low viscosity, then this possibility of your check engine light will come up and you need to replace that engine oil. Sign number two is noise and knocking sound. So when your engine oil starts breaking down, when it is due for maintenance, the engine oil will lose its value and its integrity. The viscosity level will be low, which will cause a loud noise on your engine and component parts moving, and also can result into knocking sound, which you'll be hearing from the engine because the lubricant is no longer protecting the engine from friction and wear. So you start hearing unusual sound from your engine, like metal to metal sound, and also a knocking sound. So that is one sign that should tell you that your engine oil is bad and you need to change it. Sign number three is dark, dirty oil. So when your engine oil is not very dark and dirty, it is very necessary that you change the engine oil. How will you know? When you take off the dipstick from your engine, wipe it up with a rag, put it in back, and bring it out. When the oil is so black that or dark that you cannot see the dipstick through the oil, then it is very necessary or very important that you replace that engine oil. Otherwise, you will damage the engine components and also reduce the lifespan of that engine. So sign number 4 is when you notice smoke coming out from your exhaust tail. That means you have a leak of engine oil into your internal combustion chamber. So at that time that you take your vehicle to auto workshop where it will be examined and know exactly what is wrong with your vehicle, and if it is required that the oil that you are using needs to be changed, and to be changed, and also the grade of oil you are using to help to improve the performance and to stop the smoking of your vehicle oil. Sign number 5 will be excessive mileage on your vehicle. So if you have been using your vehicle to travel a lot and you want a lot of distance with your vehicle, traveling for a very long time, it might be necessary that you check your engine oil and maybe change it also. Recommended change out of engine oil for older vehicles is 3,000 miles, or you can say 3 months. While for newer vehicles, recommended that they change their engine oil 6 months or after 6,000 miles. So like I said before, we have different types of vehicles engine oil grades. So it's important that you check your vehicle's owner's manual to know exactly what grade of oil is required for your vehicle. Each of these grades has their own viscosity level, and some of this oil is recommended based on the model of the vehicle. Each manufacturer of each vehicle has their own recommended oil for their engine, and engine oil also is recommended for vehicle based on the region the vehicle is being used in terms of temperature, and also in terms of if the vehicle is a new vehicle or is an older vehicle. So you need to ensure, and also the oil grade for your vehicle is also determined by the mileage the vehicle has on it. So it is very important that you go through your manufacturer recommendation or your owner's manual, or alternatively you visit an automobile workshop where your car engine will be examined and you will be advised on what grade of oil to be used for your vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you on knowing the importance of an engine lubricant, and also knowing the grades of oil that is available for vehicles, and where to find the one that is recommended for your vehicles. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button and the like button, and make comments. More videos on how to take care of your automobile will be uploaded on this channel. More videos on engine oil usage, the grades, and also maintenance of vehicles will be uploaded on this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.